This video is intended for my future self because I've got no views. I would like to remind myself that in the past, I used to go on Reddit to read posts to find business ideas. After wasting hours, I couldn't conclude the pain points, the services or products that work or don't work. And after learning n8n, I decided to spend 2 hours to create a workflow that can do all of that within 15 minutes. But if you want to know how, I can show you how. Now, as you can see here, we got 2 inputs that we need to fill in. So the first one is the topic and the second one is the email address. So let's click submit and see how it goes. Okay, that's finished. So as you can see that we got new email, and if you click this, so it's gonna be linked to our report, and then there you go. So how many pages? Oh, so this time is 10 pages, so sometimes it could vary, you know. So now if we scroll down, so we got everything here, right? So a couple of aspects that we can, oh, it's a problem cluster, so this is really interesting. Okay, if we scroll down, there's an opportunity areas, and then we got the business ideas and the value proposition and also the MVP. So these data is essentially coming from the real posts, from the real people. That'd be great if we can also integrate with other tools such as LinkedIn posts, and also probably something like Tavily, combine that with Perplexity, so that's going to be really valuable. So let's dive into step by step about how to do this using n8n. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Apify store, and you're gonna look at this search. So it's called Reddit Posts Search Scraper, and choose the second one. Now you're gonna be interested in the API integration with HTTP requests, so you're gonna go to API and click the API endpoints, scroll all the way to run actors synchronously and get dataset items. So you're gonna copy here all the way before the token. On n8n, you're gonna choose HTTP request. Connect that with a trigger, and you're gonna paste that on the URL. For the authentication, you're gonna choose generic and query authentication. Now you're gonna create a new credential, and the credential is gonna be token. And then for the value, it's gonna be the token API. Go back again to Apify, and you're gonna click this to reveal the token, whatever the number here is. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. Okay, I'm gonna let the name then. Okay, now you're gonna click the send body, and then you're gonna click the using JSON. Okay, now you're gonna copy and paste the JSON parameters from the Apify. So let me show you how. Okay, so I'm gonna disable this one. So we got a couple of inputs here. So if you fill in the inputs here, then when you click JSON, they're gonna be transferred, right? So in this case, just go ahead and copy everything. Then you're gonna paste the parameters here. Okay, so I'm gonna execute the step to see the outputs. So it's finished. We've got 10 posts, and the outputs are gonna be everything start from the title, author, the URL, and also the body. The body is something that we are interested in because we're gonna be using AI to analyze the body and then create a report out of them. So this is the entire workflow. I'm gonna share that in the description below, so don't worry about it. Okay, so this is the Reddit scraper that we just experimented with, and if you click it, as you can see, so now the parameters now are replaced by JSON output.reddit search. So that means this is coming from the loop over the item. Okay, so the way it works is so we got the form, as you can see that in the beginning, right? So if we click the form, we got the parameters, the topic, and the email, and after that it will create a new document, which is the Google Docs, right? It's very simple, right? And then the name of the Google Doc is just the name of the topic, and then after that it will go to the AI. So the purpose of the AI is to generate the keywords basically. Now in this case I generated like 10 keywords, and each of the keywords will search for 10 posts. So essentially we got like 100 posts. You can do as many as you want, but the more keywords and the more posts that you're asking the tool to scrape, that is going to take a longer time as well. So the 100 posts took me around 15 minutes, and on the API sides that took me probably around I don't know, 10 cents or something, so it's not really that expensive. Now after that we're gonna spit out the data, because from the AI it's gonna be outputs and then Reddit search. So I choose the Reddit search, so that in the output we got like 10 keywords, and then because we got like 10, so we need to loop everything, right? And then after we loop everything, we spit out everything, and then we combine them into one chunk of array. This code does this, and then after that the AI agent is gonna do the analysis based on the combined text from 10 posts, right? So we're gonna be doing this for 10, so we got like 10 summaries of analysis, and then we combine them. After we combine them, we have the AI agent again, and this AI agent is very special because it's not just about doing the analysis but also reformatting documents. So if we click here, as you can see, so everything is essentially in the HTML format. Okay, now from here then we go to the HTTP request, where its job is essentially to convert from the HTML into the Google Docs. Now again, this is the kind of tutorial that other famous YouTuber has done, so I'm gonna remind myself again, because I'm not sure if this video is gonna be watched by others anyway, in the description below. Okay, yeah, and the last thing is share the documents with the original email, right? So this is everything essentially, and then the email address is using this variable, which is from on-form on-form submission. And we got, so if you click it, you just drag and drop here, and then this one's gonna appear, but you gotta have to change these variables into first, because if you don't, then it's not gonna know where the variable is. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all. So if you got any questions, well, first of all, you're gonna have to be unlucky enough to come across this video, right? But if you're unlucky and then you've got questions, then you can definitely ask me from the comment below. So yeah, good luck for my future self. So see you later.